All right, so welcome everyone. In this video, I will walk you through an alert enrichment workflow with Wazuh SIM using Anyten, right? This is an AI agent platform and automation platform as well. This also integrate VirusTotal, Alien Vault, and more tools. Technically, this will replace your SOAR platform, your security orchestration, automation, and response platform. Wazoo already has an integration with VirusTotal kind of a platform. So why use Anyten then? Because Anyten simplifies and automate the entire workflow from Wazoo alert ingestion to IP reputation check using VirusTotal, Alien Vault, and also incident creation or maybe sending an email or Slack notification as well, all in a single seamless pipeline. We can also integrate AI agent if we need. It's going to be an amazing video for sure. Now, if you are an organization looking to automate your security operation across SOC, security testing, or compliance management or risk management activity, this kind of a security automation workflow can reduce your manual efforts and operational cost as well. And we can help you for doing that. Drop us an email at hi@hacksecure. Let's secure smarter, not harder. All right, so this is our N10 workflow. It starts with Wazoo alert. So we are going to look at the alerts coming in from the Wazoo server. The moment we get the Wazoo server, we are going to extract the relevant information. For example, the IP address and maybe the alert name. You can see that here, IP address and the alert name, and then we'll be submitting that IP address to VirusTotal and Alien Vault. With we already have an inbuilt app for both VirusTotal and Alien Vault. We just require an API key from. You can get it after you sign up. Once you get the integration done, then you merge the result by using the merge thread data node, and then we parse and make sure the data is being well parsed so that we can categorize and see the data in proper format, right? Once it is done, then we create a summary of our result coming in from both VirusTotal and Alien Vault. And usually what we are going to do is we are going to represent the entire result in an HTML format so that we can send it over the email. So you can see this is HTML node. We'll be parsing this code JSON data into the HTML, and then we'll be sending the email to our Gmail mailbox. You can see this is the send mail message where we'll be having our data and HTML data and the subject line and my email address as well, right? And the next part is, in case the result from either of this threat intelligence feeds seems to be suspicious, or reputation check is probably giving us the result that IP address is suspicious by any of the antivirus software, then the result will be given to the Slack. You will be notified, your team will be notified on the Slack group chat, and also an incident will be created on your ServiceNow tool. All right, so we are going to cover this part later. For now, we are going to talk about this section. Okay, so in order to learn about it, we are going to execute the alert. So in before we even execute, we'll have to simulate the attack. You can see this is our Kali Linux machine, and this is our Wazuh agent, where the Wazuh agent is basically being installed, the Ubuntu machine, right? We are going to execute this brute force attack, SSH brute force attack using Hydra. Before that, we have to make sure the workflow is ready to accept all the alerts so we can execute it, and in meanwhile we can launch the attack. You can see this is a simulated attack just for learning purpose. You can see it's getting executed. Perfect. I should have got the email, but in meanwhile you can see all the nodes got executed successfully. And you can also see what IP address has been received, and VirusTotal will also show you the result. This was the IP address. This is a private IP address, but in real world most likely it's going to be a public, so then you can find which one is suspicious or not. You get the result from VirusTotal as well at the same time, right? And this result goes to the merge data, and finally you also get the result in an HTML format like this. You can see the reputation is 0. This is how I created a custom code in JavaScript so that we get all the result in the reputation. If the reputation is 0, that means no antivirus from VirusTotal flagged us as malicious traffic, right? And you can also see we have got an alert as well. So yeah, you can see this is an email just 0 minutes ago. This gives me the detail that this is the IP address, this was the description of the alert, and from VirusTotal the reputation is zero, means zero antivirus flagged this as malicious, and from Alien Vault it is not applicable. Okay, and zero. So because it was a private IP address from my system, in your case, it can be a real world attack coming in from the malicious or blacklisted IP address, right? So I hope this was useful for you. Let me know if you have any question. I would love to help you out. But before we go, make sure if you want to learn about Wazuh setup and everything, I'll mention the video in the description below as well. All right. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please like the video and press the bell icons to get notified in the future. Thank you so much for watching.